1 week no
Premier no Musaboka.
Oh, Master Obiano, what premier 1 billion da. And sit da. 1 year 50 million.
Some movies na said uncle from because directors be ne omugu sutra
A series in your movie.
Baby Mama a movie.
Let me come and say that. I'm moving no.
Tracy Boachi movie Baby Mama. What you crying?
No, I am maintain. Mo sister station interview. Okay, I'm maintain. No way. Omoto
or ye premier more like when you escape from Pan.
Sika belo nyae. Tracy na wokan yana.
Tracy Boachi.
Masa Tracy ngesi ni ma ni sika o.
Ladies and gentlemen, nkokora ne mrewafo, empanyifo ne nkras when you 18 years e kosoro nko ade a bet no na aba. Na embet ne sa keke, embet wo ba bia, so be bet ya, bet wo 1x bet, edientia, bonuses, bocho, promotions egum bebrebe. Na de nika kwan se wo deposit the first time 100% sure. Wo de 10 Ghana tuma, unya 20 cedis. Umpewe na pede 1x bet, quick payments, udi ya de etua woka. Promotions edoso. Bonuses bebrebe ewiase afa na nyina hwe bob mali mu nyina no bet 1x bet ansa na wo ba wiase nti 1x bet what na wonye twanko ade a 1x bet wo be di ne simple
yo champagne
GM Records
adotie some give it to you yaduma beautiful
right on put no multimedia media na asare 500 and o he menchen ya enye we short comedy but so what's the dada ya be share we midre baba shop e wo wata no so opposite the University of Education Winneba e ho ne ya be share ya bra ye ne be atwenkom 1 or 2 bi na mafe no na de ntia ode no ho akote kakra no o mama ya we bra me ma good morning ba Polino multimedia
The Joso
ne pom te say
me ye cool, me ye available. When you say you must have your bono.
wo so ye cool na say
Me ye good, me available.
available ne chere say
Me am tema dia say, is me ho ye no.
available
Yeah.
wait me spell it
Vini di kan. Na eli chatwo. Omun kan mum.
all right yeah bra shampoo
Dotie.
shampoo
Adotie.
sa shampoo we say no shampoo bonyum na ofa no
You see Paul the Obabu. It will be at the Paul doors we won't kind. But Sian and Ashon na Jamaica Casa. As yet blessing in Shira. But me and you baby I'm a pedanso. Manigi dance on film could have been na. Let me follow Shampoo no Americano. Or Jamaican but you're American. The Emira call into industry no. Na and I'm did to in fashion point also. Yeah.
Open dance wall to the sense Ghana dance wall artist be an happen as
Shatawale, so no rank as some woman number. Oh yes, Shatawale dear. If we are singing now, we in Pam you know. One no any vast cattle, I'm the best. Jamaican system of Kwaham, I was American because Shatawale Mera not only your Pescan called Jamaica. No, your Pesca called Jamaica. Na Saminu na board dancer, kusimi, but they may dance on me. But Emra buy. I feel okusia patwa no patwa yo muti stages ye wona ya bingi ye wo boshanti and ye wo street patwa me know them bravo but essence na koye patwa essence do understand e bi na storm mo keka no but Shatawale no buy no we say no bandana pana be say na love him trene na won twam da ko so be so ewu na betima na akofom ko dance so ntwam
shampoo udi ankasa de say
Media mamlin papa de mama de me yo memenda if am Kwame Nketia Ishmael.
Shampoo ne o de chain Nketia
No, that be shampoo ne ma hotedi ni. A guy name and na wiase nyina anim. Nti so we am interview ma kire say na me de but shampoo dey say take over. Akata Ishmael ne so.
Sibia wasati church dance home no. Amanfo be wonder say movie na we na enyum to your talent.
Me to pa but me nipa bi me actor bi me different. Me life no me different from other artists. Me nyo bi me pre me ho bebre. Because we are seeing no me sacking my mind say etwam. O kan Matthew chapter 24 verse 37. Yes we say osuni asase etwam. Na say osuni etwam na wa otimi no ye de. Wo so utwam. Asama o wal ardu tazulan. Maka Arabic kakra. Do understand me no? but enyum minimum to me to nyum pa me wo voice so when me see ni kura bon say me to shompo ni bini ma mo nyum kakra but na me to me boas yansa na bia me de nyuma pi yeah
na o to boas yansa na de nyuma pi
yeah
sir obi ti o ka se manager say o de nyuma ba out
me de nyuma ba
dan so
no help life we dey dem man from fansa keke na influence on ko dware because training e duro kra che duro awon no mo
amanfo be wonder say we de nyuma ba out me mbo nyum no ho nkomo be 3 minutes bi ansa na ya to interview no so enyum no title eden condemn
yeah what condemn your title bi a Ghana kula dem condemn
obi ho dress no be ka say what to condemn for niam because me pa jo my fanufu na ekosi na asen ye so what to condemn
no you see this dress is ya no and na manfo domino obi tumi hu mo tumi sere saa me so hu to ye ho so bla me hu ne menye dress you ya me legend Charlie Chaplin san no what ye but say ye ko program dia yes san but ye odwuma mu dia we ni ye hye we ni hwanka ni ho me da me we go na mawu no you understand but enwom dia Ghana ha no artist ni yam ni nwum bocho obi a
seriously
nye Shatawale Mwasa me come can moving artists na and they are turning to musicians no as acting any music the same at the comment but one more Bobby is here no me dey cho mu nyina
omo mo Bobby me nse de nimbi
le wen ni kwaku manu ni colleague mu ni ayi ne kwa abonwom
we good chain lewin
so on won to nyom on ya
okasa
yeah odi nkomo on say enyom ife bi timing is say wo beat ni nyom ne ko enya sa na wo ye na mom living na wono wagidin no so people love him ne music na you understand me kwa me de nyom sa but ye ka timing pa ye nto nyom de on ka ho kra na mom boys na mutu chorus man no o me na ya de
na o nyom condemn yi o wan ka sa hu nyom ne say timing ni ade na waka no hu ne say
oh me drop ye no manfo a start ka say nyem na boy kra amuso nyame ya but o ti di voice now say ade ye be shompo eni po na manya ko yi but me o na me mpeki ansa we da em to nyina enyum bi a obi na inspire me inspirement session you can bring a song I'm say no me da nyum de me mpe but me emna me kotena you know mu say yes I can sing
you can sing or you can sing
I can sing with my tonyum yeah
condemn you can condemn and you condemn what is it about
the motive nyane say me po ba bi won pe me and I mention say me maybe me twa me condemn kra na o ti ase na me da me nkotwiu that is the method of the song but twi mahama yire condemn o ya wan first date me twi condemn now kemi polo me ma twi wo mo so just for fun yeah
your life story ana
no your story on say be creativity create something for people to love you and then the guy who called me to sing you know if say ne we manager me friend manager direct or manager and then was what he came no be here call hello chele me no trim condemn no na say I had no quiet time and then he creates for the music and then I brought it and people love na condemn ebeji Ghana nyina
ujidi se condemn beba be yi kodjon kansa monyom ne kokumenu monyom ne bro
una kodjon kansa nyom de hete sai ngo pen ne ene hete ka kan ko na nyajida ni bi nyom na owi aye so
asa wo facts pa
oh me shombo me wo fact oh movie industry num ensema ma movie industry na guo me wo fact akese pa
Mr. Membesi be hura dru hono mansa ye beba hono nti de yeah
no problem
so like what's it in your life story but condemn feature will be who feature top artists be also another one
no on say so be a top artist na who feature na on wagi ndie be dada yes nyo but me feature a new upcoming artist e friend ya adoma on so de nyum bia be friend Broken Heart enche bia be drop video no soon one me future no because me maji me din na wie so me de obi a yenim na bata me ho say be hu ono nso so that's a good idea yeah
Shompo
got here
on say me cast my bonyum na cement me and two lines bra wunjindi
oh yes send ya kapala no
se die na be ya ma hwefo hu say enyum no wabampa
oh me phone so me mo nkyere wa
person do one to my freestyle capella
on say em na e studio do on angofo mo nye you feel be backing ubaka condemn sana wasa ko ye condemn sana ye backing ti hano mato na nyeda na mo nkasa nyomo na nyede because hano nye studio ne wo yo Shandapal Adotie Sammy give it to you Yadoma beautiful girl. You see the voice?
I see the
voice to crack yourself in the moto.
Very, very nice voice.
But you also know, remember, Mama, Kasa, the essence of just on your moto. But what you didn't know, people love him, so people love him, not the music. Matching condemn. Mr. Matching condemn. Also, back in the years, you know. Nadia Boli, Matching condemn. Lordina Mahama,
Matching condemn.
Akapin Polo,
Matching condemn.
Monsieur Mila Brobe,
Matching condemn.
I was so say, someone the Koto, I'm a man for him, or something you to us here. Not people love.
Yadoma feature and watching condemn.
Yadoma, so what I may pen was 1 penny. Until some can't say me almost a yes, Trumpo is serious. As my chimney, I will condemn the who are you? Yeah,
Sibia can you once a minute, and you back open what him about.
First in Impona, I know a dean, and Matuaso Atonium, because Cabrochak is brown, any probably the Munium, just in but on Satonium. To you to the Obin Casadena, Liria Janum Makoto, I just move Yakotonium. No, at the same social media now, and as an industry now, but Lewi Sankawa, when you're smart and 10 years, I can come back, you know.
And this one's why you're smart at 10, you know.
No, me man 10 in them. But no, you're fast. As to know, me say movie industry ni begu. No 10 years. Na buan on so.
Na movie industry na gu.
And you say gu ewu.
Engui but ewu.
Ewu are dead. Because according to Hebrew 9:27, also ni pe wu a. Oye ba akope. Na temu beba. Sa na movie industry no ewu ensoli piem.
Obi or show because you need positive mind. I say
no, I'm not against movie industry, but against those who are the leaders, you know. They are thinkable human beings. What you say? We are saying a yini obra. We are saying a yini. First pioneer we should be a pool and they crying. A back away become we be pole. But one mono sika mu pentino. Se sini nyefo. Se at sini nyo se nyo mfa ho. Onu se kwai beto. Ana matren sa na fei afro Ghana fo. Tole one way. Obi ganye mbo se camera betem. Thing in your quality. Do you understand? And if you say, "Code the guitar," I'm so confident we say no. We say, "Bet you code the guitar." And I'm more CD, and a CD in a chum. Me TV about me down a pen drive. How can you picture the movie industry again?
you cannot picture the movie.
And to me, see that.
My Mr. Tim Free, I can't be now fast to run movie.
I will make be a friend of their man castle. Or Bonafo, but me papa free, quad dear boho. And I'm mammy free a jassy cootie. Na me no na me school the other Samia me nyama na ekora. No, your English is not our language. And you obedient one go to call you can learn. But Ghana no and Africa no as the school here too much. And to be talent to cry na your talent na wu. What is school them 4 years? Obe no nya adwuma nye. A foolish idea. Nge school yo. But to be talent here push him the talent. You understand? Emra me ba Kumasi no. Me be sua baba. Once I'm back because I have na me you campus in this hall. Me say me hit ya from adwuma. But na me what tent kakra o me mu ye comedy. Enti me to radio bi. Me kata te shemu a. Na ma ya me ne ve mi ansa. Hakosua aduane ni wai. Me wura. Enti ma mi ombe ye na me hye ma yim na omo hwe. Ma me say eh wana kasa me say me a onko ase what talent no de me call. Ashtown movie you know and register mommy and and the we see nyina hu shompo
o ba be wura movie ni mu no na industry no hu ne say was it na ejina so yi na say ne eguba
there be na strong emra me by na jakwa fe na jakwa akata Nigeria for no so enkwantie ntia no so na strong but panyimfo ka asem bi say border suja on a shifra senketenkete say nyaji wo manu dum edene because ahia movie industry no start say ya che ba me de me kan say e wiase ni yin no a moma ya mu CD o be say attend to pen drive no o sen kampanyimfo be la samwane indi koko mu no ye fast mu se no wi ase be nyini yes yen tene ana o matna we pesemi nkumi asa na afi akuo ana comedy artist for no nye kuma dunko the whole Ghana magidi mu nyina comedy wo mo
sa
ananko ba ko sofo asama na o yeken comedy no wo mo first pa mo say local you know ye in English kasa but ene comedy no family kan lewi betwa sini ba first no mo person ni betwa that didn't have no betwa sini comedy ya o mo say ye de na ye to but yenso ya nhwe bibi ye adwaman ene pejami nkuminya ene kuya dwuma no
na ka se bela samoni di koko no mu na na bo adwaman na o ma hwe aman industry
no bela samoye kuma odufo ye president no and the whole Ghana the president ni di koko the benefo se wo twatire no a yakan ya homa etire gimi a ase ne yenye dai wo man brani bia
Shampoo na kan wase utwatire na ase na gimi etire na gimi bela samoni di koko mpanyimfo no so ma gimi a
yes ase for the 8 nya hwe they are thinkable human beings
ase chese
omo ngene in future broni ene or in future ne because we are so say ya be anyini what you can say
Shampoo
dot here
Shampoo
seven
also by na movie nejina so kakra ufi se den na ehase pa amani ku na ba
mo fena me kansem no na obi o ye badwen ba ne beti mase number 1 pesemi nkuminya selfish interest obenya no nkoa na agidini me director mi hia we ebi hia Shampoo Shampoo de onya de me wa kula bo betuma ya de a che no na mi manu aduane abo me mebo hwia osunsun minyi kosia de akoko ato kosia ebo ho minyi I believe in God. John 14 verse 1. Yes, I believe in God, but also in me. Mesola ndwa bompo ya gu so ho be kire. That's my belief. And abiem adwaman ejenyame movie industry.
Wa bubo bia.
No, me that you me ko say oba me no ho me nyane fi movie industry. But directors no. Wo buy or me so buy nye good actress. But on na danti oba ni wuro. No bi o ya de o ye mfa no. Wo ma me no na untwa. Enu na say movie industry no.
Unhu bi say obese ya gani.
Ya me that te fe na Isaiah. Onu kwa de ko.
Oba
Nyankopon. Oba me ni tin ko ne yada, but me ni de we a respectable woman.
O director no so dey say.
Isaiah Kofi Apia. Me director no. What say on me ko yi? Won ma ko. E de ntia oba ho ntia.
Ono ko oba ho.
Yes, oba ni ba set ne so no nim say me bi no. Opa kowe. But I'm not going to say me version film set so ko. And I mean man kasada. What man no da man kasada. But one no say me say. Me su ba bi ti opa me but na your ba ni ntia. Na papa na ma no ma da o set so no. Mo to kro ma anye na o be star. Ya na me Philipiti masa ma no. So one no da so be star na mo to kra wa anye. Na movie industry ni so say ku.
Guinness kra wa ntumi anye.
Na say Guinness dey way high. Mo to ni so. Well, no more to work on Guinness or star.
O director Isaiah Nkwana. Media di we gu industry no.
Directors ni nyina. Omu nyina.
Jackson kan.
Omu nyina kan but medium one camp and Isaiah me kan ho asem no. Jackson, hwan OT, omu nyina kan ho.
Is it Karimode or
Karimode? We producer or director. Karimode producer or director. Omu nyina comedy wo mo ne.
O baby wo hono ma.
Thomas mu nyina comedy wo mo.
Come the part Thomas.
Anam to phones. Movie no aye to no say get on phones. Now movie na way. Wo mu nyina tane. A community actors aya endorsement ma konfo. Na actor nya waji din ni pay follow na wa ben na ben na wo nti na obi akọbu obi agini sika.
Yeah, actor ndi sika no ope wo nti nya
no na me kira wo say sen campanyinfo no dwine hu say ewiase ni bachim ena ko modi structure papa gu kwan so a enka onko ye endorsement ma konfo but enne community obi e de open
Sompo
dot here
director bi no baby die oba ni timi be star
ebi ensida emari nyina na bebre na kwa wale agugu bebre wale agugu
unimbi
oh papa I know somebody ono am extent mo ni kura wu hu no ya upcoming a wu ni mo no bebre amu do so papa
o try bi da
se me ne beda
o try bi say actor stars yes mo kwase so a mutimi ne mo ho deda
ti o se mimi mpokura me nya girl ya enye news ba wo director na wo da ya no wo na wo asem na ehu wo ti ase ba mimi na me nya obi a mimi yes ano mo no ye ni bi da wa dwae let us
director no obi da wa dwae
me say bla ba twima me wo da woni me na ba twima me keke ehu
yo director Isaiah
asem na me kere ehu me wife or friend wife to me twima no o se Sean Bram say dey matese mimi yehu sada na yi ayi wei Barcelona ni Bayern Munich bobo na me ko hebi me buy wo se asia se wo tuka me twima na me se ni suban no enko boa
o wife otimi twa movie
oh yeah no emre otisi no ho ofe to tisi no wo se nkan ne o manya funso wo wu no o be tini se ya nti e ma no emre be hu no drop e o no drop in tam kura hu se no it's not nothing no nya fosa te ma na asia ne o da o mo hwe me o mu hu se e shompo wo kan sama ne o mo ne ma da pato ma star the movie industry in the bra me kan ne baby me ko bia wo say this it mean peja
Sompo
dot here
Sompo
seven
wo niema bebrebe fa music movie industry no bien hwe a good year e kofom
yes kofom me de urusha me kata kofom kasa agu me pena wu no awu
movie industry na wu waja isi ni twa
no you see ene me idea menya no movie industry no no ana say movie film making no obi ani data bi ani ga na obi
seriously
yes Miami series me boka be 500 million be borokora if any taking me ana me year adwuma no me ana me year editing enche bi o be hunu TV station so se Ghana for 8 years ni sa ka adwuma no kenwu the quality of adwuma me kan emna azia na me kon ye no ena me am tun se no o sa me so me plan ena me ne me wife kabo mu ena edit series ni ba enche bi ba TV so
office dey na directors ne lucky a wo munim
wo mu abon wo directing no you see you can direct yan you say say call location yan you timid na otwe me satwa 8 movies siri then nyame na boy say yan you timid keti no be e be star o me me shu yan na boy me movement the way I walk people laugh and I become shampoo kaya siri yan kan rest star da kaya ko sa te sia that no why say kan na we director o ka hia wontie there be a script to the blue and a vertex synonym until is a cut action shampoo yiri on action sa near try there's no suspense share India for year be good TV see me share papa asoka my mo ke kame look at the editing, look at the camera quality and the story. So one channel now ye obi anyima abayifo betu Debia. So Afro Ghanaians and we are no sakọ digital enti sinino ayese kwaku mete no. He can never.
Ladies and gentlemen, do you like betting? Don't just bet. Don't bet at any site. 1xBet is the #1 bookmaker in Africa. Just get an account at 1xBet. Why? Because when you deposit, you get 100% bonus for the first time. That is 1xBet for you. You only get it at 1xBet. These are the advantages you are going to get: highest odds, quick payments, bonuses, promotions, and 1xBet is all over the world. Go to UK, go to America, go to London, wherever you go, 1xBet is everywhere.
Never rise up again.
Shampoo, office omunya dey.
Iso omu ni hia bibi omu ye biem. Se so be ya a series. Twa na ko TV so. No bompa so obenya sponsors be miensa bi. Na onye sika. Na mo say CD pa first pass ni bi a azi ade mi ye maso awade ene ABC of law etimi to bi a 500,000 copies. Ensida. Ise kwa akoya yi. Omo si bi premium. Premier go me no masa boka because one way no
Premier no masa boka.
Oh, masa obi no obo premier 1 billion ta. Ensita. Wonya bia 50 million.
Some movies na say dan confirm because directors bebrebe ne omugusu twa.
A series, a movie.
Baby Mama a movie.
Let me comment that. I'm movie no.
Tracy Boachi movie Baby Mama. What you coin?
No, I am maintain. Mo sister station ebe interview. O ka me se maintain. Nyana wai omoto na.
O ye premier o more like when you scare from pa.
Sika be no nyae. Tracy na wo kan yana.
Tracy Boachi.
Masa Tracy ngesi ni ma ni sika o. Ebia mahama wana man is kana say obofo some no mo ya beggars. You understand? I don't movie na be kata so dia I don't know. Obi na obe ye premier enya sika say the next movie ni gya so. Papa jai.
E dey be mahama matrix sika.
So we campaign man.
Na obofo nso e.
Obofo say no nani giye ho. To ya se me say me hye me shoe ko obofo ho no mo a. Me pie ne bia mboto ayema. Ope movie fu asem. Enti obe o mo ko no ko nyesika mo ye endorsement man
enye papa won say obe yesa
no media me timi nka say enye papa for me nyesa say me kwa endorsement ama sofo ana confirm ko nyesika I can't do that because me believe in me mbuni say do mo ye nyina na ye ntro ma me imagine na ye ntro so what can endorse that people me mo say wo be ko de ya machida na mo mamu nka say sinigu ye ntwezi buachi sini no wanya hwe mfrim papa because okodi mahamachi ekoye campaign obenya sika akusidan enya no
sompo
dot here
yeah what can bible muslim say ni say obi wu ma Jesus Christ nso nyane no movie na wu no untimi nyane no mai
Jesus Christ wanyane obi a wawu
sa
enya no kore eba me ka se mi jo bia ode fa no I know Jesus Christ wanyane Lazarus unyani ayi okrani ni biba eye kasakwa nyese ne nipa na wu ayekosie no emkaza mchiro ada biba me kama chapter bi say Hebrew chapter 9 verse 27 so nipa wu ba ko pe ewu onye mi uri ka obi ewu onyane da menyini na emom satan na Jesus Christ ba na juufo na wu in spiritual ya de bonyefo so if you believe in Jesus when you afra wufuom na emom ya physical death
yes movie no onyane o kunani ni ba wo
movie there akwese ajako act yes form e be that correct but me can in spiritual thing na me ka kire wo on say emra Yesu emra Lazarus yare no o kan John 11 almost man said ye wodo no ne yare Yesu ka say enye owuyade ye ne mo Nyankopɔn ni mo nyam ntira so wonto ka say Lazarus wo wi dabi no ye dibonye ni no Bible so obi a wonu nyam ye o ye tiase wo so if you believe in Jesus Christ wonye no afre awufuom ne mo nya physical death Lazarus we wonwi kwani ni ba ne we ye owo ba ku ni ye owo
movie industry there ain't mean sorry biem
la emra me ko kan ba bi na manfo attack me wo dia first sa say so to ha nwunu fasan ha it can never me say this is a series TV dia ntwam na said you are going to see kono ahwe ma bi TV betwam because phones na embeba no TV ayesoma nti se wi ase nyansa ya bi 100 years TV kra ha kan ye TV be ha na ye phone so
sompo ana man for wadwen pa se movie pa etimi asori a wo betwasini
papa en sorry because nay no me minim that thing that as for no you can call me to your set I'll call you to teach you say there who can you try pole how can you call me
pole movie ben pa na wo try
don su bebre pole de bebre but ye yerim say pole kra ejimi wom say bia manfo obitimi hia me shompo munti hesini no musini ndi enye obi su yese mo kwa forest ne bia bancho forest wo forest wo ja bancho forest wo masa adibo ansie aye sini fentia ye twen na ye pole but yen ye de comedy ni na ji yetini nye sini fentia hwe ma mi bi wo Amsterdam so wo hwe me a wo se me wo de ne tia ne ma he wan hwe a wo hwe shompo akwana na yedin adentia the way I move that's me tia hwe people like it me a different movie industry no whether them like it or not but me nyen hwe ni mu my yare 2 years what one thing
why are you 2 years
2 years ni me yare ka me yawu but opie no ote ye me nyen hwe ni mu say shampoo ya leo mahama me boa no no you can't help me I'm not going to problem for them no problem so how can you put my problem to them to be anti but me want to me you to me na me try me serious na me no that na me that apam me so you see me biem me yale ye ni mu me ho beto na sinini gu ye ene waja e man no me da kwotena bochire de ne yira kwotena bochire on so bu nkwasia wonu no sinini gu ye kwotena America kura bi ase ana wo no wadakwa
ase sinini gu no woni je ho pa woni agi se skin
ye me dene se de be ya pese me nkum nyafo nyina aburu pepepe se wo ma obi suyi emna na dwane bo no ene nyina ntena fie
woni ho anya ntawantawa wo mu bim
Isaiah Nkwame artist ni de me kwakuma no ye me friend titu akora beto pa na ye me madamfo okuma no se madamfo kakra lewe de ho anam bia my friend da kurubi e heda nya damfo sa but tie hia de ye nyina wadwuma akunti wi ya one ba me de artist no obi na what me wasam that me no obi ko da me want your papa me ye di want that but Isaiah enemy problem one ne pagya me no sa cool me enam wo banti
Obana na adaso woni no tiwezi ya
oh yes yo
aware
enche bia me ware no
December
fa ya ka awade anye se me ka manfam me ma wale kro bia nti ta mitio
wenye skenti ana
no yes ka se me ne kase oba bedi ska obedi dia me kwa ama ya kokosu odem nyansa bia nim uti ase nyansa bia nim se me ma wale kase se jompa ware ene me ko ye no omo sam hu mienu na fe kokko I don't do that but me awade any say according to Deuteronomy wako hu oba na wofo wo che ni ti ade ene ya wade kawa ebroni nhye where the ebroni nhye me I don't follow mlofo I follow my own mind
Shambo movie gu yi apart from series na wutwa no ene nwom no wo ye business
no I say wuji di na ho ekomo ne wo sa e dia wo hade ya fro so yanko program bia ba no wa charge no da be fun wo de dia sanya no dia ka komedi pa entina obi won ma ontimi ntina na akodi akomfo achi no komuntia you understand but adwuma no say baby e sini akwa koduru no mutim kodi mate na uka wusi enkura bachi waku obeda ko ye mate mutim ko pa carpenter enu ntina ya na ya me yese mpanyimfo na mfa structures na anya ya adwuma na gu no asabrochire wo ya actor ni ko asa kusa ko adwuma bia biem because amanfo hu on be how dem ka wati ase but me say he say idea mo film making ho Isaiah only just mo ni bi so I go my way omonko mo way
so but me bisa question na person wan answer straight mami
me tie
say director bi enye skapa no person twa movie odi utwa obetwa na untwa
me charge no answer I will charge you big before you call me tio so friend me there you need me and I will come nyet sinini fenti na me ba se be ye fe dada na dada no na ukotwa cat ash no different bi anim na nsen na drone aba nhwani mu o mbe so me drone no kwa dem twasini e kere na msoro eno da drone ko di o drone ko ntan yisu ye pe quality work kala munye mumma editors no sika no munye kala grading ma mo na move ni nya fe onu se sini ani e fe kwa na enye fa no be ko be hwe o di picture na e hwe e de nwansa na wani
wankaza ye editor
de sa medit ya me ye ne de mi no be to challenge me editing ho on sa me kata so hu me free ba no me kala grading o ma Muhammad Emedi ideas me ye editor kase a me makati ni SB mo mo won kam ye nyomtofo no kala mo no mo ni bi na impo o mo kala na o mo ye music no o mo koto film no me man to me na me ye made o Adobe
was it one go school
me just school o P4 me na school ma bon tie ni na me mpe school god of mass me na me yade o religious and moral education religious nyame mo yi de na me nimpa me twa 100 but mass na ma me ba me headache x minus x find x because x never s you was going for x a waste of time do you understand and then I leave ya chimaku 8 times last one mo chim na me to board here school for the 20 because me say oba no mo we me nsuo bo ya se o nyetom say gon me ko unyame to them me a battalion number chime and a meeting say I don't know pesku because the headmaster said say me pesku no papa say munyano and ba kumase and obia humi
nti Adobe ne editing we say why is it part of your talent and
now ba no kra na me ne teka say me ye bayifo me nyi bayifo a omo say omo ye spirit ni me gi bayifo a e talent di me emra me say me sua kala me te ho a ene obi ono so onim kala ye okumase ya say no ene ohum kala na odwane the whole cause obi me nya kala grading sa broken heart video na e ba na ya do me na me direct me na me ye kala no obi nchake ana enwuma SB le maye makati maye no me me sa kala na SB de na ye pole ninja make up me series no me na me ye kala me na me ye editing ni nyina
tu sua we editing wo fie
efie me fie editing no me tutorials Indian ibi or Arab ni kula me say me Arabic te me ne kasa no watch me how to cut how to and then I'll do the best.
We are here with Shampoo and what can sim bebrebe
won sam ka obla me won sam ka so me actor me kasa but I say dey me matin kensen I will say the truth to the people because sam bebre o hodo man for antin movie industry na me kam dey way badwimba ene me nko okwase abufu
said the empenyimfo ni bi enkwase afo mama industry na
the unthinkable human beings
we still right here with Shampoo wakan sim ni bebrebe ni me bia na wunnim ana say de na wususu no en waka Shampoo say de na amanfo expecting free ho
o me de menwum ya abai to people laugh to people dance condemn nyuma afina aba uko social media uko gogo abenyam downloadi dance abu ayi me say Ghana for no o isi we anigye emanipa yini chewo nya anigye se wo ko ba dwama wo krabo sidie bebire manipa anigye o sidie bebire a wo yale correct mi ko nti nyuno ma ya ne se mo mfansa na mo reason stress Ghana edine yeni mpanyifo mo boy boni panyini Ghana ni yale de ne ko landing but ye yale yen ko lebu desa ko lebu ni nyo ono ye de ne ko landing onye but ye yale yen ko lebu so nyankopon no na be hwe nti mi bonyum ne se amanfo ensre obi odo mi bia me do no wota me do Yesu Kristo so mo no matamfo I believe nti no Shampoo de mi se me do madofo do che matamfo because people love me the way I act but the make no aye no kwa make sazi akwa hwe because he na kwa yi secret yo we dwamanfo
Shampoo se ne be ya nipa bebrebe abamumu no wo de she music industry ni nkran kakra
no minim kura bi a meshe movie industry no
abambu na
nyeza mi bu abamo hwe de make no Polino first time Nana Sari obetia say in future me see nkranhye biye ni hopiem kitwa bi se wo ya Afako TV so ne pre advert na didi na movie dia ensori biem binim dia meka ana we no me matena say aye analysis na che
wo said who read them bompa egu industry ne egu ye
me bompa etia matamfo o mo pese me kom de me no so ba movie industry ndie de ma no gu ye adwumafo ne adwaman no e ma na no data for no mo de da na o ma me sta na ye saa na enko pose na obi anko tena fie.
All right, Shampoo emre nti e be free am sia na final words ad be ma hwefo na emfensia
me de mesamba ko pe John 14 verse 1 believe in God, believe also in me. Quran chapter 3 who can say baby I was say antuminu billah fa aminu bi aidan, believe in God and believe also in me. When ade am dem dija omo jinyankopɔ tum ewiase we de atwam wo panye ska dama you die and leave that money but unye ska no na to wo de ye de a God be shira wo masema no movie industry fo no indi koko any be de minu so mato tia I don't know me de koso biem he says onye president I don't know mo mo da no no etimi story biem enti mo fa plan ho fro ni de se combat mo ene akom de ayikura ayi Majidi ne gay tintini
Yvonne Nelson
akom de no senya yi a ayi we efa kura Instagram a akom de o mu nyina ene YouTube na Nyankopon aya adoma buoni di ba he no eboa yen ba me ka che wo se Say Ghana ni pa na bi YouTube na ko ba use kansa na wabi.
Sir?
Pese min kuminyanti. I love you all. I don't hate anybody. Dia me kan ye no, ba dwen ba beti ase. Kwase abepo. Salam alaikum.
Shampoo, thank you for coming to Calling Multimedia. Papa, let me be sorry. And Papa, what are you saying?
Me ni pa bia me unique. Papa e for na sham sa no.
Papa ma kuma ko
I had to. Ni po sham Papa for the obetimi no.
1 hour ye.
Me na me ye ni. On say we ni a good mpaboa. I will be jadi about life. And I'm such a good Papa na matwa na me ato so and I joined.
Why dear na so
Me na me ye no be ti o me nyo. Me na me ye we nyina. So me hye kata. God give me talent. Yakobo mo be common sense. If you don't use common sense, you are a fool.
All right, so we met at a Midre Barber Shop inside Tanoso, just opposite the University of Education, Winneba. Shell filling station, hold on my brother and a straw. A Midre Barber Shop. Hana Oba Wi-Fi free.
Oh, what's the money at you?
Unyam connected.
There is a minimum. Come on, you
yet and how to make a
Masa manya was my trench here and my young woman here. We be on my solo.
PS4s were high body free.
One in Boa.
It's a minimum.
Masa, you are international and ready.
Say,
Masha 10.
So, Banas in the power, would delay restaurant were managers. I 7 more drink.
I find my baby imiti. Send me Israel and meet my baby.
It's just
Ojimi.
So just pass through and get yourself a nice haircut from Midre Barber Shop.
Yo, champagne.
GM Records.
I don't see so me give it to you. Yaduma, beautiful girl.
Father Beats.
Make you condemn. Make you condemn. Make you condemn. Make you condemn. Nadia Boy, make you condemn. Odina Mahama, make you condemn. Nadia Pimpolo, make you condemn. Emilia Bobby, make you condemn. Mami Sewa, make you condemn. Fela Makafu, make you condemn. Afiaswa, make you condemn. Dana Manina, Emano, condemn. Nadia Boy, make you condemn. Odina Mahama, make you condemn. Nadia Pimpolo, make you condemn. Emilia Bobby, make you condemn. Mami Sewa, make you condemn. Fela Makafu, make you condemn. Afiaswa, make you condemn. Dana Manina, Emano, condemn. I be new fresh boy in town. Shampoo back, will be a new machi. Into your face, and me both put more be a new. None of me poor bunch. Will be a new life, will be a new taste. Into me so far, any mistake. Who to my catch and condemn. Ya just is so much in condemn. Shut up, all.
I don't know what I don't know what I don't know what I don't know what
Make you condemn. Make you condemn. Make you condemn. Make you condemn. Nadia Boy, make you condemn. Odina Mahama, make you condemn. Nadia Pimpolo, make you condemn. Emilia Bobby, make you condemn. Mami Sewa, make you condemn. Fela Makafu, make you condemn. condemn, 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 condemn. Chabal, yow 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 yow. So me give it to, me give it to, me give it to. Akufo-Addo, Fasa. John Mahame, Mr. Fasa. President Kufuor, Fasabi. Akrabeto, Ohineno, Ufasa, Muniaza. Hey, Missy,
Beats, father, beats.
Ladies and gentlemen, nkokora ne mrewafo, empanyifo ne nkras wenye di 18 years ekosoro nko ade a bet no na aba. Na embet ne sa keke, embet wo baby a, so be bet ya, bet wo 1x bet. Edi a bonuses, bocho, promotions egum bebrebe. Na de nika kra ne say wo deposit the first time 100% sure. Wo the 10 Ghana tuma, unya 20 cedis. Umpere na pede 1x bet. Quick payments, udi ya de etua woka. Promotions edoso. Bonuses bebrebe ewiase afa na nyina hwe Bob Marley mu nyina no bet wo 1x bet ansa na wo ba wiase nti 1x bet what na wonye twa nko ade a 1x bet wo be di ne simple